Hey, you guys, the spoken word is called presence. Let me know if you like it. Presence is everything. Timing is everything, but it is imperfect. Like most, I want to stand behind you, but time is what keeps me behind and far away from you. Alone is the feeling you are received, deprived from emotion. I am not perfect, and my timing is off. Presence is everything. In time of need, my presence is what I lack. This is true. These are facts. To say that I have been hurt by you more than I hurting you is a lie. Presence is everything, something that I clearly lack. Not being present for you every time means I left your heart vulnerable for attack. I keep feeling like I lost my presence within you. Seems as though I lost my way roaming freely in your heart. Am I your secret killer? Or am I your healer? Presence is key. Timing can be everything. I wanted to take the time to address you, but timing is off. And that's just where I fell off, where I became lost. Feeling as though the answers I seek are unsearchable. Presence is everything. Presence is lost. Are we key? Am I losing my mind searching for you? Way too much in me? Invested time. Timing is key, but lost completely. Time spit focused on me, not you. And if I could, I would reverse time completely. Presence. Okay, you guys, hit me up on Twitter, retweet it, put it on Facebook. Let me know what you think. Thank you.